Hey guys, what's going on? JB here, Team United Partners. Let's get started on the training. This is so simple what we got our hands on because what's the magic formula? People are paying for a house payment every month, and it's usually the largest bill. It sucks our money up, guys. But what if you didn't have to pay that every month? Or better still, you had new money coming in to cover it. What would you do with the existing money that you're using to pay it now? Most people don't have an answer. Guys, this is where we got to get money smart. Say, listen, okay? Guys, this thing is so awesome because virtually we're guaranteed success. Why? Because the average person knows at least 100 to 300 people that pay rent or mortgage every month, sometimes directly, sometimes indirectly. If you send a couple of 3 text messages out per day, folks, asking folks what's their largest bill, you're going to usually get the reply, my house payment. You can use postcards, flyers, business cards, car magnets, 3-way calls to expose people. You can invite folks to our weekly Zooms. You got social media, leads and clicks on your website with our incredible leads generation system we're rolling out. It is phenomenal. It's going to take social media to a whole new level. And of course, building a team is the objective because the result is you can make up to $10,000 a month or more. That's right, guys, not just cover your house payment, but the more people we bless to cover their house payment, which they're excited, guys, our income is just going to go through the roof. So look, easy marketing message. Hey, great day. Check out this short business overview. Send a video. If I can show you how to replace your house payment, would you be interested? Send a video. My mentor has just launched a $100 business that's simple and can take care of the house payment. Send the video. What could you do with a residual $5,000 a month? Check this out. Send the video. Could $7,500 a month make a difference to you? Watch this and hit me back ASAP. Timing is everything. Send the video. Remember, guys, the result is you can make up to 10,000 plus per month by helping a few other people win. So look, the cell phone, tablet, or laptop, great tools for this business, a notepad or journal, strong desire and goals. Guys, not just something we're casually doing. We have a strong desire. Okay, we have goals we want to accomplish, which means we have time frames. And then we're looking for fat people, folks, faithful, available, and teachable, not fat physically, but fat meaning, hey, I'm going to be faithful to my opportunity. I'm going to be available to help people and teach people, folks, and I'm teachable too. That's the key. That's the attitude. And of course, lastly, a sense of urgency. Would you rather match your house payment in 2 months or 2 years? Think about it, folks. The result is you can make up to 10,000 or more per month. Just that simple. So look, here's some of the states with the most renters behind on their payments. Folks, it's called a clue. That's a lot of people. Thousands, tens of thousands of folks. South Dakota, Alabama, New Jersey, South Carolina, Connecticut, Delaware, Arkansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, New York. Just published, folks, Friday, October the 7th, 2022. The result? By helping these folks, guys, we can make up to 10,000 plus per month. It's that simple. So here are some of the simple keys. If you look at your first month, folks, and every 5 days, we can share this with 3 people, which means what if you share this with 30 people to 50 people, guys, your first 5 days? You're probably going to definitely get 3. Okay, you're going to get 3. But this is the work right here. Okay, so in 5 days, you do it, they do it, they do it, they do it, they do it. In 30 days, guys, okay, you look up and you have 1,000 people. So here you are at 5,500 a month, 5,500 a month after your first month. But what if you only had half of that, a 2,250? Would you be mad? Of course not. Guys, that's a win any way you cut it up, right? So, but then it's going to continue on and you can't stop it. Who would want to? And it's just going to grow, grow, and grow. See, multimillionaire, house paid in full, that's a whole different attitude than where most people are. Now, if you took a $300,000 mortgage for 30 years at 6%, what's your monthly payment? Well, it's about $1,800. That's about average, right? So check this out, guys. If we put an extra $2,000 a month on that payment, okay, to principal, look at what happens. You pay this house off instead of 30 years, guys, you pay it off in 8 years and 5 months. That's 21 years and 7 months early. But more importantly, look at the interest you save, 265,000. So instead of paying them 347 grand, you only pay them 82,000. Which one would you prefer? Well, let's do something, guys, because this is what people are doing. They're paying 30-year mortgage and some refine for even longer. 265 grand, okay, versus owning it in 8 years. Guys, this thing is incredible, but it's called business. And it just takes 3 minutes and we can completely change our life. Remember, we're going to pick the platinum membership, and you got to determine, how do you want to get paid, folks? Do you want to get paid direct deposit into your bank? Do you want to get a debit card, or do you want to get paid in Bitcoin? The choice is yours. So look, you go ahead and sign up. You're ready to go. Remember, you can write all this off your taxes. Our next Zoom, Sunday, 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern. But we do Zooms, guys. Remember, Tuesday, or Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursdays, and on some Friday afternoons. www.nomorehousepayment.com. That's our Zoom site, nomorehousepayment.com. Well, guys, listen, this is not a get rich quick scheme by any means, but simply a business system that any serious person can master. Hey, thank you for your time. God bless, and let's go. Take care, everybody.